Hello everybody, welcome to the Mystery Steamboat channel. If you've not subscribed, there's a button somewhere that says subscribe and a little bell with notifications. If you have subscribed, a big thumbs up to you. We are going to be off and out on this hot sunny day to Lakeside to see if we can have a shop and have a little GoPro session and see how we go. So we'll see you later. Bye! Solo.
Alright, come on, Daddy's waiting. Let's go. Oh, they're an animal. What do they do to his hair? Oh, no. Oh, Jesus Christ. I can go in these, but when you're not dressed on it, yeah. Yeah, look, to these, look, you can cook for them. Oh, kids like them, so we can't wear it. I can see you in that wilderness for about 2 hours. Hey. And I bet you'll be in. But the thing is,
I've probably been there more than once.
But you've got to go and get your photos done this time. She can't be in the shops so long. At least you can buy a decent bag. Like, if you're buying every stuff. Yeah. And boxes if you want to give something. I'll take it that the top's gardenology then.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Purple, white.
more photo.
Where are we going?
Yeah, that's a nice one, isn't it? Like that, isn't it?
That's my sister got it.
Hello everybody again, we are now back from Lakeside and we bought lots. So with my lovely assistant who's out of camera shots, I'm going to get past the things we bought. So let's start with item number one. This come from Primark. And it is that is pretty awesome, isn't it? And you do it a bit further back, Jurassic Park, and the back is the sort of the jungly effect as well. And that was £8. So that's quite a good bargain. That's like a sort of like a plasticky feel to it, but yeah, really nice, really nice. That's nice. Then another one from Primark is a Star Wars t-shirt. This one was £6. Chewbacca. I'll be wearing that one when I meet Chewbacca in the Hollywood Studios a bit later this year. So that's Chewbacca. Chewie. The next one. This is another one from Primark. This was £6. It's a Mario! We all love a bit of Mario, don't we? From Super Nintendo days and Super DS days and everything like that. But yeah, had to be bought. I love you, Mario. That's where's that? Oh, this is another Primark. This is for my lovely wife. She's got a lovely Disney bag. It's all very, you can see it there. It's very sparkly, like sequiny sparkly. So that's very nice. That was, how much was that one? That was £3. £3. That's not bad, is it? Oh, and then we got another bag from Primark. This was another £3 job, and it's a Mickey and Minnie. That's the letter M because my wife is marvellous. She's magical. They didn't have a P. She's P for Pauline. Didn't have P's. Other letters in there. We did see an A and a B and a C. Couldn't find a P. I think they were taking a P. But that's front and back, and that's £3 from Primark. So another little bag there. And then we got we, as in my wife, lovely wife gang. She got 2 pairs of sockies. These are £2.50 a pair. Oh, 3 pairs. As I could whisper right here. 3 pairs. 3 pairs there, and there's 3 pairs there, and £2.50 for each one of those. So that's them. They're quite, yeah, it's nice. I'd wear them myself, but I don't wear pink. And then also from Primark, we won't undo it, but we got a Disney throw. So it's a Disney throw. It's yeah, it's quite soft and lovely. And there's Mickey Mouse's all over there, and it's really lovely and soft. I'll keep that myself, even though it's for my wife, but I'll make it for myself. Yes. And then the final one come from the Disney store itself, and that's an Incredibles t-shirts. Because, well, basically, I'm incredible. So there you go. That's our little haul from Lakeside. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next little vlog. Bye bye.